do a section of the color wheel. I'm going to show you how I go about it. So I'm going to do just this blue section. So you've got 3 sections on your color wheel. So your pure color is going to go here. Your tint that has white in it will go here. And the pure color area that has shade is going to go here. So I'm going to take blue. I'm going to turn this around. So we've got blue here, white, and black. And I'm going to take some of blue away from this because I don't want to mix all my colors and eliminate the area of blue I've got. So this is my pure color, and I'm just going to paint directly on here. Try and paint as nice and neat as you can. I know I'm doing a video, so I'm probably working a little fast and it's going to be a little messy. Alright, so I got my blue on here. Now I'm going to do my tint. That's where you add white. So I'm going to take just whatever's on my brush, and I'm going to scoop up a little white because I don't want it to be too saturated in color. I like it to be kind of on the pastel side. So whatever was on my brush, if you have too much, just wipe it off. So that looks nice to me. It's kind of a sky blue, and I'm just going to apply it here. You don't want your tint to look too similar to the pure color. All right, so I've got that on there. Nice. All right, so that's my tint. Now when you go to your shade and you're adding the black, never use what's on your brush with the white because it's just going to make it look gray, and we don't want that. So clean your brush, wipe it off. Go back to your blue that you pulled to the side. I'm barely going to add any black because I don't want it to be too dark. So just a little. I'm going to mix it with my blue. And if it looks like it could be too dark, just touch your blue again, add it to the color you're mixing, and I'm going to just sample it right here. That looks a little dark to me. So what I'm going to do is just brush off some, take some blue, mix it off to the side. That looks better to me, and I'm going to apply it, and I can still see blue. So if you feel like you can't see the color, then you've gone way too dark. And I'm just going to add that in there. Okay, so now we've got the pure color, the tint, and then the shade. So shade, pure, and tint of blue. And so when we go on to our next one, just make sure you clean your brush, you wipe it, and then you're good to go.